Hello friends, my name is Liam. I am 5 years old because it was my birthday 2 days ago. And today I'm gonna teach you how airplanes work. And remember, there was 4 forces of the airplane. Like there's thrust, drag, weight, and lift. And the thrust work, it has to be like this. Greater than weight. I mean, greater than drag. And the drag work, it has to be greater than thrust. And the lift work, it has to be greater than weight. And the weight work, it has to be greater than lift. And there's things underneath the airplane's wings invisible. They're called air molecules. They're all around us, but all the time. And the shape of the wings makes more air molecules underneath them than above them. Underneath them go to the other side in slow motion, while the ones on top speed by. And that's all because airplanes work. Bye-bye, friends. I'll see you soon. And don't forget to learn those 4 forces. Bye-bye. See you soon.